Hi, boys and girls. We are ready for our next spelling list in Unit 4. Hopefully we will study for our test, which will be in probably a week and a half or so. So we're working on the spelling sound E. So the sound E, long E. This is a long E sound. The vowel E. Remember, our vowels are A, I, E, I. Let me try that again. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes the letter Y sounds like a vowel. So remember, vowels have short and long sounds. The short E sounds like eh because it's a short sound, eh. Long E sounds like E. It sounds like the letter. And there's there's several different ways, but the two ways that we're going to focus on this week to spell that sound are with just one E in the word or two E's side by side. So I'm going to go ahead and write down the words, and I want you to copy them down onto Activity Book 6.5. And then we'll do some activities throughout the week or week and a half with them, and then you'll have a test. So our first E word spelled with just one E is Venus. Next is secret. That has a long E and a short E in it. Secret. Next is meter. And remember, pause the video so that you can write these words down neatly. Next is cedar. There's our sound we did in the last lesson, spelled A-R, cedar. Next is create. Create. Next, retail. Retail. Next is scenic. Scenic. Hear the syllables? The part that syllable is a part of a word that has a vowel sound. Scenic. This next one, TDS. That's a tough one. TDS. It means something's like very repetitive and we're kind of getting boring with it. Probably you hearing my voice all the time, huh? All right, let's move over to our long E word spelled with EE in it. Greeks. Seed. Sleep. Greed. Succeeded. Succeeded. Breed, which is like a type of animal. So like the breed of dog I have is a yellow lab. Jamboree, it's like a big party celebration. Jamboree. Speech. Degree. Screech. Now, down at the bottom, it has words that do not follow the pattern. We're going to cross that off for now. and we're going to write challenge words above it. Now, challenge words, 2 of your challenge words are words that we see a lot in our reading and we might use in our writing a lot, but they don't really follow any rules. So that is accept. So there's no long E sound in there, short E sounds. Doesn't really follow any rules. And follow. Now, we also have a content word. And this is extra credit if you learn how to spell psyche. So that's extra credit on the test. Psyche. So there are your spelling words for this week, week and a half. Okay. We will do some practice in our meets with them, and I will probably have some flippities. Please make sure you're practicing. You can have somebody at home give you a practice spelling test, but make sure you're practicing.